Imagine if waste became a useful product. Carbon was taken out of the air and locked away for good. And the materials we build with had a much lower carbon footprint. Welcome to O.C.O Technology and Zurich's role in helping it to scale.
We use ash created from waste-to-energy plants that would otherwise go to landfill.
We add water and carbon dioxide. It's the same process in nature that forms limestone, but we do this in minutes instead of millennia.
During the reaction, CO2 is absorbed from the surrounding air and becomes part of the aggregate. It is permanently locked away. We then form pellet-like aggregates.
Across our 3 UK sites, we produce over 500,000 tonnes of these pellets every year. And that means we capture over 25,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide.
It's a safe, durable construction material that's used for roads, buildings and infrastructure. It replaces traditional aggregates and their much higher carbon footprints.
So where does Zurich fit into the picture?
We're working to cut our emissions as much as possible, but some can't be avoided.
To reach net zero in our own operations by 2030, we need ways to remove carbon that are permanent and can be verified.
We do this by buying carbon removal certificates from companies like O.C.O, and at the same time help lower the carbon footprint of the sectors that we insure and invest in.
Buildings and infrastructure are a key part of our business. By supporting O.C.O, Zurich is helping scale a technology that cuts carbon in the real economy.
When companies like Zurich back innovators like O.C.O, they help accelerate change across industries and value chains.
From problem to product, turning waste and carbon dioxide into the building blocks of the future.